Hi everyone, this is SAT practice test for solution by the exam bridge at Mr. Lekan. Question number one. A group of students voted on a 5 after school activities. The bar graph shows the number of students who voted for each of the 5 activities. How many students chose activity 3? Now, this question is trying to test your knowledge on how to read a bar graph. As you can see, the height of each bar in the bar graph given represents the number of students that voted for the activity specified at the bottom of the bar. This is where we have activities, and these are the number of students. Our target is activity 3. Look at activity 3 right here. So activity 3 is right here. As you can see, this is exactly between 35 and 40. The only value that is between 35 and 40 here is 39. So don't make any conceptual mistake or conceptual error in this particular case, but that is what they are planning to see. Let's quickly go to question number 2. Question number 2. What percentage of 300 is 75? What? I don't know. Let's say X. Percentage of 300. We know that in mathematics, if they say 2 over 3 of 6, it means multiplication. If they say that 2 over 3 of 6, this is equivalent to 2 over 3 multiplied by 6. That is the logic here. Now, let us solve the question. The question says that what percentage of 300 is 75? What? I don't know. Let me use X to represent that. Percentage, this is percentage of 300 is, that is equal to. Now let us represent this mathematically. That is X percentage of 300 is 75. So this means X over 100 multiplied by 300 is equal to 75. So this can, let's do step by step. This can be equal to 300x, that is 300 multiplied by x, over 100 is equal to 75. So 0 can cancel 0 right here. So I have 3x is equal to 75. So divide both sides by 3. This is over 3. This is over 3. So 3, we cancel 3 right here. So your x is equal to 25%. So that means my answer is 25. I believe you understand the step. Now let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 is x squared over 25 is equal to 36. Now we can rewrite this as x squared over 25 is equal to 36 over 1, because this will still give me 36. The next thing for you to do here is to cross multiply. You cross multiply. Next thing will be x squared multiply by 1. That is what we have here will multiply everything here. What we have here will multiply everything here. It is equal to 25 multiplied by 36. So in this case, x squared times 1 will give you x squared is equal to 900. 900. So in this case, your x will now be equal to the square root of 900. So if you find the square root of 900, it will give you 30. That means my answer is B. So just try to note this step. If you have x squared is equal to any number, let's say 40 for example. If you want to find ordinary x, it will be square root of anything you have at the other side. So let's go to question number 4. In this question number 4, we have 3 more than 8 times a number x is equal to 83. Which equation represents this situation? Let us interpret this. 3 more than 8 times a number x. 8 times a number x means 8 times x. That is 8x. 3 more than. More than means plus 3. This is 3 more than 8 times a number x is equal to 83. Let us copy that out. 3 plus 8x is equal to 83. Let's see all their options. Question number 1, this is 8, 3 bracket 8, x equal 83. This one is not my answer because 3 times 8 will give you 24. Look at option number 2. 8x equal to 83 plus 3. This is not my option because if you move 3 to this place, it will give you minus. If you move 3, it will be 8x is equal to 83 minus 3. So this is a trap. It is not my answer. Look at the third option. 3x plus 8 is equal to 83. This is my, look at this option here. It is also a trap for you because this is 3 times x. And the question is 8 times a number x. So this is the only correct answer that we have here. All these ones that you have here, all of them are big traps for you. So this one is 3 times x. This one is the only 8 times x. And the question is 8 times a number x.